Now this charging station right here is a MOKiN all-in-one charging station, which is an 8-in-1, which you can have 8 different charging function of this right here, which I'm going to dive into and show you guys. Also, this right here is a 100-watt shared charging station, so you don't have to worry about power, because this right here has the power you might need to charge up your devices such as your computer, your tablet, and anything you can think of at your workstation, like your mobile phone, your computer, and all other devices. So this eliminates the need of having those bulky charging station at your desk, which sometimes can take up a lot of space. So this right here have everything that we need inside, and it make it more simpler at your charging station, which I'm going to show you guys inside this video right here. So as you can see guys, this is a charging station right here, which is a 100-watt all-in-one charging station. We have smart display, we have retractable cable, we have 1250-watt AC, which is really great, and we have 8-in-1, and this is how it actually looks right here. So I'm going to unbox and show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, so inside right here we have the user manual, which you can go through. And inside the package right here, this is the charging dock, and it look really neat if you ask me. Very lightweight as well. As you can see, we have 3 AC port on top right here, which is 1250-watt max of each of these port right here, which is really great as well. We have a power button right here, which you can press to toggle on or off. I love the design. But on the front right here, you can see we have 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C, and it shows some of the device that you can actually charge. As you can see right there, you can charge your laptop with the USB Type-C, 2 right there, which is mainly a faster unit. So, and right here we have a retractable cable, so this can be used to charge like your computer as well. So this right here is quite long. My laptop right there is connected to my charging station right here, and I'm using this USB Type-C 1 port, which is a 100-watt rating. So if you're using this port right there, is a 100-watt. I'm not using a 100-watt right now. As you guys can see, the computer is taking enough current that is needed to be charged. So let's say if this laptop requires a 100-watt, it actually pull the 100-watt from this right here. But because we don't need a 100-watt, we're actually getting like 38 roughly to 40 watt out of this right here. So let's say right now I'm going to connect up my mobile phone, and I'm going to use this USB Type-C right here. As you guys can see right there, my phone is charging, and then you can see that the wattage of this right here is actually going up. I'm at 60 watt right now, as you guys can see right here. So basically, let's see if I must remove this laptop right here. I'm getting roughly like 18 watt to 17 watt. This though mobile device right here, this section right here, the max capacity that this will actually get from this USB Type-C is about 22 point something watt. So this is the maximum amount of current that you can get from this port right here. Now speaking of the wattage right here, each of these port and this device right here have different wattage, even though this is a 100-watt. So up here, as you can see, we have a max capacity of 1250 watt. So let's say if I plug on something on this right here, you won't get the amount of wattage more than this amount right here for each of these port, which is on it. So also on this, so which means that you can get over 100 watt of this right here if let's say you have other things plugged into this right here, but you won't pass the maximum of 1250 watt. So let's say right now I have a computer connected up to right here. Right here is a 100 watt. This port right here, roughly we are getting like 22.5 watt. This port as well is a 100 watt, which is a faster port, and this port right here is about 18 watt, and this port right here is about 18 watt. So the USB Type-C port right here is a faster watt, and the USB Type-A right here is a slower wattage. And if you want the maximum of current right here, we use this AC port right here. Then again, the wattage is determined by your device, and amount of device and the amount of wattage your device can handle for it to actually operate with this right here. So my computer might take a 100 watt, my phone might take a 20 watt. So it depends on how much of your device usage and how much wattage actually pull from this right here. Now what you have also noticed with this position right here, let's say if you're using this AC port at the top, the display of the current wattage will not show on the screen right here, only if you're using these USB Type A and USB Type C. So as you can see right now, I'm having a USB connect up to my power brick right here, which I'm using AC current, and nothing is being displayed onto the screen because I actually charging my laptop from this right here. So the wattage on this is not going to affected by the 100 watt of power that you get in this USB type C. So let's say I'm using this right here to charge my computer or plug in some other device on it. You can plug in your computer, your desktop on this right here, and it will not affect the 100 watt of shared 100 watt of this device right here. So I can still be able to plug in my cell phone, and you can see right here that I'm taking out at least roughly 20 watt, which is required for this right here. So I can still have a maximum room of like 80 watt leave to charge up like my tablet and other devices that I need to use this USB type C right here. So 100 watt only goes for this DC port right here. Also, if you're using these AC port, as I mentioned earlier on, it actually takes the wattage of 1250, which is the max capacity of this right here. So that's how it actually operates. Alright guys, so if you're in the market for a great charging station, I think this right here is a great option that you guys can pick up. Not too cluttery, very neat and sturdy. If you're a person just don't like those bulky charging station or bulky charger on your decks, this right here is something that I recommend. So I put links for this in the description if you get interested in picking up one of these. And remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.